4 chords needed to play the Mashup project. We've got the F. So if you know where C is, to left of the 2 black keys, you go C, D, E, F. And then you're going to be playing a note, missing a note, playing a note, missing a note, and playing a note. Use one hand only and play them all together at the same time. That gives you the F chords. Now, all of the other chords are a very similar shape. So you're taking this one and moving it now down to the C. So the whole thing down to the left of 2 black keys. Same shape, play with one hand. To play the D minor, simply move all of the notes up 1. Now the only one that breaks this pattern a little bit is the B flat. These 2 are now going to stay here, but then your finger here needs to move up there. And if that's really uncomfortable, you could always move your fingers around. So use that one and the second finger if that's easier. So we've got the F to the C, move it up 1, move your finger. If that looks really easy, think about adding a left hand. So you could be playing the root note of each chord down here. So we've got F to the C, to the D, to the B flat. Even the way you're playing it can change. So you could do like Don't Stop Leaving. Break the chord up. You can walk the bass line. Loads of things you can do with that to keep it interesting.